Hi, this is Ram Reddy Koteru, and we are a group of 3 members. The remaining members are Maanas Katta and Rohith Arabati, and our project focuses on Facebook business page applications, the problems faced on Facebook business page applications. So we have came across some problems on this business pages, especially we have took an example of Myntra business page. So I could see some comments like the customers are let's look at this comment, which explains about the customer service is very bad with the Myntra company. And when I go to the other comment, something like this, it's like the delivery is 5 days late, so it's a late delivery issue. So like that, I could see many number of comments. We found many number of comments in this negative comments in this business page. So we took up this problem as an application. Like, we would like to develop an application to solve this problem with giving some meaningful analysis and visualizations to the company, so that company could make business decisions much more accurate and faster, so that customers can get benefited. So to solve this whole application, so we need some of the reviews like this. That means a data set. So a data set is a major plays an important role in this whole application. So I'll give over to Rohith to explain how he gathered the data set, how he scraped the data set, all this stuff. Rohith, can you take over this?
Thank you, Sriram, for the brief introduction. Yes, data set plays an important role in this project, and for this particular project, we didn't find any relevant data set available in the available platforms like Kaggle and on Google datasets. So we created a new dataset by accessing the Myntra's Facebook page. We performed web scraping by taking the reviews posted on the page by a tool called Octopus, which helps to extract information, and it is very easy to use. And we filtered the negative reviews manually because that can be done by sentimental analysis, which takes lots of time. So we filter the negative reviews manually. Apart from that, we created some duplicate attributes, which are basically important for good visualization. Like you can see on the screen, gender, year, month, product ID, country, vendor, state, product category, review ID, and these are all the negative reviews which are posted on the page. So that's it from the data creation. So I'll hand over to Sriram to continue.
Yeah, thanks, Rohit. Thanks for that. That's how what the tool we used for creating the data set. And there are two main attributes which Rohit hasn't covered and which comes into my part, which is intent, category, and intent. So basically, intent is something a short description, word description which resembles the whole review. What exactly is the problem? Is he explaining? So that comes with the intent. Let's say a refund issue, the whole comment or the whole review focuses on the problem called refund issue. The whole the second review focuses on the customer care, discount issue, return issue, bad quality. These are some of the intents which we have taken. Let's say I guess we have taken around 10 intents, I guess. Yeah. So how exactly we got these intents? So this is one more major task where we have to introduce a new tool which is called vid.ai. So let me go through over the vid.ai application. So this is an open source application by Facebook. So which is mainly used for recognizing the intents. Let's say I have some problem with the refund issue. So I haven't received the refund. So I'll type it like I haven't received the refund. So you can check. It automatically detects the refund issue. So we have the intents. I've already feeded the intents into this application. So we have customer care issue, damaged product, discount issue, something like that. So whenever I enter a comment, it automatically finds out the intent and pops it up. That the way that's how exactly we made use of vid.ai to create the whole data set. And vid.ai is vid.ai uses many uses natural language processing underneath to recognize the intents. So that's how we created the intent attribute, and we generalized the all the intents into groups, which we call it as intent category, something like this, intent category. So all the refund issues, customer care, all this comes under this one particular category. And we have something regarding product can be a bad quality, it can be like a damaged product. All this comes under into product category. So we have generalized it to make much more meaningful visualizations, to give beautiful analysis at the end. And yeah, so we have the data set, we have the features. Now Manas, one of my teammates, the other, he will take over the Tableau part, how we connect to the Tableau, how we made what are the visualizations we made. So he'll go through over it. Yeah.
Hi, this is Maanas Katta. So as Sriram mentioned previously, so we are using the attributes from the dataset to build the visualizations. So let's take the example of this chart. So this is a stacked bar chart. So this chart is constructed based on the vendors, number of reviews, and intent categories. So from this bar chart, what we are getting as a business owner is he can able to see like which vendor is having most number of negative reviews. So let's say this specific vendor. So if we see, we can see that the customer care and refund are having nine reviews, I mean 9 negative reviews, and the issues regarding product are having only 2 negative reviews. And coming to the problems overview chart, so this is a simple bar chart which is constructed based on the intents and number of categories, and this gives the overall like overview over the negative reviews. Like let's say we can see that pricing is having 69 reviews, which is the highest, and delivery is having the lowest number of issues, which is 23. So this just gives the overall scenario regarding which like in which specific intent, like how each specific intent is performing. And coming to this specific graph, so it is trend of the problems. So so this graph is plotted based on the number of reviews and the year in x-axis. So it just shows the trend of each specific intent, like how it performed in each specific year. So if we look at pricing, we can see that the pricing is in a constant, I mean, it's in a sideways trend. And if you look at the product, we can see it performed like it's in the sideways trend till 2015, and it saw a downtrend till 2019, and it again saw a huge uptrend till 2019. So it just gives how each intent is performing throughout the years. And coming to this this chart, so it is a group bar chart. So this bar chart is constructed based on the number of reviews, intent categories, and intent. So we can see that in each specific intent category, we can see which exact intent is contributing to the negative reviews. So in customer care and refund, we can see the refund issues are the highest and return issues have the lowest reviews. So this is what we have done till iteration 1. And our plan for iteration 2 is to integrate React, where we'll display all these graphs on a web dashboard. So we'll be integrating React and Tableau by using dedicated plugins, which allows us to display the entire Tableau dashboard on React web page. And we are also planning to add 2 more graphs based on the features from our data set. So one is geographic map, and the other is a stacked bar chart based on the product categories and intents. And we're also planning to add dynamic selection to the graphs that are actually generated. So we can we can dynamically select from one legend, and we can look the effects in the all other graphs. So that's what we are planning to do in iteration 2. Thank you.